what security roles are assigned to each user. I'd like to discuss a few key ingredients for helping you achieve understanding and ultimately success with your GP security and how to get there the fast and simple way. Let's begin by covering just a few of the security basics regarding roles, tasks, and access in general. Each role ID is made up of a group of task IDs. Those task IDs allow access to certain reports, windows, and operations within each module of Dynamics GP. In addition to the ever-important windows and reports, there are 10 other types of security objects that might be part of your security, as you can see here. The power user role grants full access to everything, so the goal is to prevent anyone but the real GP administrator from accessing certain setup or sensitive areas of the application by assigning the right roles to each user. But where do you begin? How do you start looking into your GP security posture? Most people start with the standard Dynamics GP security reports. And in all their glory, they are just that, reports. In paper format, they represent endless pages of text-based role and task information that leave you trying to understand what they really mean. Because of the sheer volume of possibilities, the reports are often very lengthy. They frequently run in the hundreds or even thousands of pages. But reports are old school. We have smart lists now, right? Not really. To cap it off, there are no standard smart lists for Dynamics GP security. They certainly didn't make this easy. The idea I want to share with you today is how you can use Microsoft Power BI to read the security information and provide a large set of visual and analytical dashboards which provide ongoing confirmation the Dynamics GP application users are appropriately configured. I'll also be showing how Microsoft Teams, paired with the genius of Microsoft Power BI, offers the ability to expose answers to all of your security questions without ever logging into Dynamics GP or running a single GP report. Starting on the Distinct page. The dashboard is sweet and simple. Select a user from the user slicer on the left. Let's clear the list to start. And their related roles and tasks are automatically filtered as we move across the page. Also notice the card tile at the top shows the related record count for each column. Let's select all to reset the dashboard. Now, let's look in reverse order by using the role slicer. What users are assigned to each security role? Let's clear the list. Let's click on Bookkeeper. You'll notice to the left, we have 2 users that are assigned to the Bookkeeper role. And on to the right, you see there are 98 distinct tasks that are currently assigned to that role. Let's clear this up. Select all. Save this for when we come back to it a little bit later. The GP Security Analyzer also has another graphical approach to the User Role Assignments dashboard. This dashboard uses a matrix view, which is really easy to read and understand. By selecting a user and role combination, the related record lists for administrative tasks and windows belonging to that role are instantly exposed. But why administration tasks? Because they could be viewed as the most sensitive areas of the system from a control standpoint. Let's reset our dashboard. GP security does not have to be hard or expensive to understand, analyze, or report on. I hope this segment was helpful and informative. We'd love to hear from you. If you are interested in learning more about the GP Security Analyzer, please visit our website at GraVoc.com, Power BI Solutions. Thank you for your interest in watching today. If you know of anyone who would benefit from knowing about this solution, please forward the link and spread the word. In closing, We hope we get to speak with you, or perhaps work together soon on getting your GP security under control.